Good morning, everybody. This is day one of building a new veg room. Just wanted to kind of show the basis of this to everybody, have a basic how to get started. You can see here I ram set that board into the concrete. This is in a basement. Just remember, if you are in a basement and you're in a newer home, make sure that you do use floating walls. This is an older home of a friend of mine who asked for some help. So we did not do the floating walls, but we will most definitely continue to watch to see if the floating walls are required or if we're starting to press on the foundation of this house. So you can see that this is here where we've ram set into the concrete wall behind the insulation and then married a board to it. Just by screwing it in different areas, and then tacked the frame into the struts here all the way across over to here and down. Same thing over here is marrying these two boards together. Make sure everything is nice and level and square. Then we just built this basic frame and mounted this up against here and put this in here. And now you could have probably just put a board all the way across if you wanted to, but this was a prefabbed wall that we had modified to get to this point. Basic frame doors, nothing too extravagant. Just mounted this door recently. A couple of different, we most definitely flipped these hinges so that this part is on the outside so there's not that big gap. Also, you can see where we've notched the framing for the gas line, so we didn't have to move the gas line. What is next is to hang the next door. We'll start to light tight this room. This is a veg room, so the light tight is more for keeping the light in and not keeping light out. We're probably going to pour either access a exhaust blower and make a new vent out of this area here to the outside of the house, or we are going to end up dropping in from this drywall and porting out into the crawl space and then going from there. Anyways, this is kind of stage one done pretty much, except for hanging another wall, and then we'll start to go through the light tight security and running electrical from our panel that has been dropped down. That is a 60 amp panel that also runs the bloom room here at 220 relay, but also runs a 110. So we'll run electrical over to this. We'll move this electrical light out to the outside of the room so we continue to have electricity to the rest of the area. Anyways, like I said, this is day one. We'll continue to keep you guys updated as progress is made with different details and options. Alright guys, have a great day and enjoy.